Although interest rates have increased, the buyer demand for owning a home has not been squelched. Rentals are harder to find, and many rental owners are displacing tenants as they decide to list on the market to sell. As these tenants enter the market, they are finding that rental prices are higher than they had been paying, and some are opting to purchase instead. It's Friday, March 26, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Days on the market until under contract remains at 6. Sellers are seeing 2.4% over list price on average. Here's a quick overview of activity since my last week's report. 1,631 are newly active, 1,340 are coming soon. 847 homes went under contract, 237 are temporarily off the market, 1,657 moved to pending, 1,388 homes settled. The highest priced home to sell this past week was in Annapolis, a waterfront estate in Wardour for $2,750,000. The number of homes available for lease has decreased further to only 1,294 homes for an average price of $2,251 per month. If you have questions about your situation, please give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's a wrap for Friday, March 26, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.